Today we're on Oura Beach in the new town of Albufeira. We're going to check all the bars out, we're going to check the water sports out, check the prices out, and I'll show you a couple of little hidden gems. Come and join me, guys. I'll spin the camera on, guys. There's a quick view of the beach. We're just going to go and check out the bars first. We've got a nice boardwalk with a load of bars and restaurants on. I think this first one is called Borda D'Água. Plenty of people in it. And it is about 4 o'clock at the moment, so it's sort of like after lunch. Yeah, this is pretty busy. Some cracking views over the beach there. And you can actually dine inside as well. Serving cocktails, and you've got little shops on slush puppies. They're looking good, them, yeah. It does crepes, waffles, tacos, cooked for the beach. Oh, it does all the cocktails as well. So you can fill that up and take it on the beach. But yeah, it's a lovely view of Borda D'Água. My favourite is this next one, Vivaldo's. We've actually done a vlog on this one. If you want to check it out, just check our library out, type in Vivaldo's New Town and it'll come up. So they do. Alright, beef curry $9.50, fried squid with spicy sauce, pork with bamboo mushrooms, prawn with mixed veg, sweet and sour chicken. We never did that before when we were here. It was about 2 years ago we did it, but it's absolutely stunning place this. You can't get much better views when you're dining in the new town. Just look at that, guys. And the restaurant itself is lovely. Just trying to think what we had. I think we had tuna Algarvian style. There it is, and there's the manager there. Suggestions of the day. Fillet of fish with rice, with tomato. No, oh, $12.50. That's excellent value for money. They do English breakfast, but they also do the Portuguese food. All the fish. They do carte planners. They do T-bone steaks, seafood rice. Absolutely amazing location. There we go, there's some of the steaks that they do. Portuguese steak, chili with chicken, grilled T-bone, spare ribs, pork steak, can't even speak, pork steak with Madeira wine. That sounds really nice. Pica-pau Portuguese style, we actually had that for starters, it was absolutely delicious. And don't forget, fresh fish of the day, $12.50. And then next to it we've got Cuica bar. You can actually get to the beach down there, and also you have the restaurant down there as well. Sometimes, this is the roof terrace, sometimes you have a DJ playing up here. How nice is that? Really nice, chilled out place this. I'll see if the restaurant is still open, because it is about 4 o'clock. We might have missed the lunch. I'll just check it out. And it's still open. There's a few people in there. How nice is that? Can't get much better view, wining and dining on Oura Beach than that. Check this place out, Cuica bar it's called. There's all the fresh fish of the day. Try and get you some pricing, guys. Put my glasses back on. Let's see. Fresh grilled cod, €23. Algarvian octopus Portuguese style, let's see, €23. Sea bream, 22. Grilled tiger prawns, €14. Do the turbot for 2 people, €44. That's pretty cheap, that. Sea bass for 2 people, €46. Shrimp and squid kebabs are €24. On the meat selection, got the pork belly fillets, 24. Pork kebab, 24. Picanha, 25. It's my favourite steak. You do the tomahawk, 400 gram, 26 euros. They do all the poke bowls there, tuna 19, chicken 19, and then the burger with fries. They start from 15 euro. Quite reasonable prices for right on the beach. Oh, and actually, I don't know where I'm going. We want to go on the beach. I'll just drop down a few steps. I'll show you the terrace from the beach side. There's a view of the terrace from the beach. We'll have a walk along the beach and check the water sports out. I've just inquired about the price of the beds. After 3 o'clock, for an umbrella and 2 beds, 15 euro. Not bad price at all. I quite like this beach actually, or a beach. You wouldn't believe you're only 5 minutes away from the strip. How nice is that? Yeah, we'll go and check all the water sports out, see what the prices are. We've got the, well, they're not banana boats, we've got them, they fit about 8 people in. When you get towed on a speedboat, they bounce you all over. Got the paraglider out. And that water is looking very inviting. And then that's all the restaurants that we just passed by before. You stay with us till the end, guys. We've got 2 cracking little places to show you. You've got one of the MGM Grand Hotels there, shaped like a ship. There's about 3 or 4 of them all very close to each other. I think if you do like all inclusive, you can eat and drink in any one of them. But it's not a place I'd come for all you can eat, all inclusive. There's just so many nice restaurants in the old town and the new town and the marina. It's pretty pointless. Plane in the sky advertising something. Someone going out on the kayak, and these guys just returned on the pedal boats. They're great with the slides on now, aren't they? Been over here 15 years and still never been on one of them yet. There's the water sports. Let's check the prices out. Oh, perfect. There's a board with the prices on everything there. Pedal boats, 30 euro for 1 hour, maximum of 4 people. You got the canoes for 1 person, 15, 2 it's 20, all an hour. The paddle boards, they're the same, 15 euro for 1 hour for 1 person, or a double, 20 euros. Ski and wakeboard, 10 minutes, 55 euros. Private boat rides, 240 euros for a maximum of 12 people with a skipper. Well, that's not too bad then, is it? There's the parasailing, 60 euros per person. There's visiting the dolphins, dolphin tours, 2.5 hours, 40 euro per person. Not bad at all. The jet skis, oh, they're quite expensive, 20 minutes, 75 euros. And then there's them things we're talking about. They call a twister. Them ones, they seat about 8 people. 10 minutes, 25 euro per person. Good fun that though. Now I was gonna, hopefully, walk around the caves there. Can I? I'm not too sure. I'll just check it out first. The tide might be too high. Yeah, unfortunately the tide's in and it's come right up to the rock, so I wouldn't get my camera equipment safely to the other side. So we'll have to walk along the boardwalk near the hotel and drop down to the next cove. Come and join me. And just before you climb the hill to the hotel, got the bikini shop. Selling all garments and hats, sandals for the ladies, and also selling the dolphin tours. Well, I've never actually walked the boardwalk before. I've always done it along the beach. But there is a viewing point here and I'll show it you. It's a nice viewing point. Paragliders there in the background. And this is what I wanted to walk around before, but the tide's in. So it's that lovely hidden cove, which we can get to it down the steps over there. Yeah, them half built it like a ship, like a cruise ship. It's a cracking location. And there's the beach. I don't know if it's just reserved just for the hotel. I think anyone can use it actually. And we're gonna go around to the next cove. There we go, Casa Algarve, a restaurant and bar. I have been to it before. It's very nice, it's quite modern as well. The beach is pretty busy. It's a nice little cove though, very hidden. I'll check the restaurant out. It's quite busy. Yeah, it's really nice. Plenty of people wining and dining. I'll check the prices. Fish soup €8 and Majwa 23. Got pick a pout at some €16. That's not too bad, the prices. Got chicken €11. Hamburger chef special €19. Not bad prices considering you're right on the beach. Well, actually they've got a lot more prices there. Let's have a look at the steaks. There we go, beef sirloin steak €29. Traditional piri piri 16. Got Novelia beef medallions €32. The Cataplana Algarve style €27. That's not bad at all. That. Do arroz with creamy rice. Sorry, arroz de camarão, creamy rice with shrimps. That is. And they do arroz pesca with ameijoas. That's the clams. €28. Well, what a nice location that is. Now I'm hoping I can walk around to the next cove. I will check it out. If not, I'll have to go on the boardwalk. You can find yourself some secluded spots. A really lovely beach. I'll cut over here. All right. Can't drop down though. I'll have to go back, but there's another lovely little cove, and I think I can walk around this next one to the next beach bar. Let's go check it out. There's a little cove I just shown you from the rocks. I've just took my Crocs off so I can have a little dip in the sea up to my knees. Oh, and here's the guy selling the bolinhas, cream donuts they are, normally about €2. Bolinhas!
Bolinhas, show de bola!
That's what you hear him shout in a minute when he gets near the people. Here's that other lovely hidden bar. What is it? Oh, this is the Casa Algarve. Right. I did have a drink in here last time I was here. I might as well finish the little walk-in tour off right at that beach bar. But how nice is that? People say the new town is too overcrowded. Well, come and see for yourself, guys. These beaches are absolutely stunning. Loads of water sports on out there. let's go and check the bar out. Prices here as well. Cocktails, gin fizz £6.50, whiskey sour €6. Whew. It's open 10 while 6, and let's see what else it does. Long Island iced tea €9, Blue Lagoon, caipirinha. I've got to end up with one of them, haven't I? Let's see what they're like. Yeah, it's only small inside. There's the guy. Hello there, my friend. Could I have a caipirinha, please? Yeah, is that okay? He was just checking if he had the cachaça in. Just looked in the fridge and it's there, so the guy's going to make me one. So this is a bit more old-fashioned than the other one I just shown you. The location is equally as nice. So you can just chill out, sit on the stools this side of the bar, overlooking the beach. Or you can sit inside with a bit more comfort. Absolutely stunning it is. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Well, this is the best part of the walk-in tours right at the end. And I grabbed myself a caipirinha. I'll compare it to the last one I think it was on Fusetta Island. Equally as strong. Oh, got a right kick to it. Well, it was only a short walking tour of Aura Beach. I really enjoyed it. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.